Hazrat ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu states, when Abdullah bin Ubay bin Salul died, his son Hazrat Abdullah bin Abdullah radiyallahu anhu entered the presence of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and requested him to grant him his shirt so that his father Abdullah bin Ubay should be shrouded in it. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam granted him the shirt. He then requested the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam to lead his funeral prayer. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam got up to lead the people in his funeral prayer. Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu moved ahead, grabbed the skirts of the chador of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, you are going to perform his funeral prayer, whereas Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has proscribed you from performing prayer on him. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has granted me the choice, saying, ask you forgiveness for them or ask not. If you will ask forgiveness for them 70 times, Allah will never forgive them. Surah Tawbah verse 80. So I will ask forgiveness for him more than 70 times. Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu submitted, he is a hypocrite. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam led his funeral prayer. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu whereupon revealed this verse, and pray you never over any of their dead, and not stand over his grave. Surah Tawbah verse 84. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 6157.